Now we will make a watermelon fish. A fish that looks like a watermelon. And we use image prompting to do that. First we take around 4 images of watermelons and turn them around so the stripes line up horizontally. Then we click on the images, copy the link of each one of them and place them in a normal prompt. Like this. I already did that. Here are all 4 links. Those are the images here. And I wrote the word fish. Now we got fish that looks like a watermelon. But it looks too much like a fish. That's why we increase the strength. We add IW2. And now we got just a watermelon. That's too strong. That's the strength of the images. Now we add IW 1.42 and suddenly we got exactly what we wanted. A fish that looks like a watermelon with little flippers here, an eye and a fish head. You can alter it more with Vary Region if you want and place flippers or whatever wherever you want by just saying flipper. Let's hope this works. And here's the other one that looked good. If you use more words it will work better. And the Vary Region started. Yeah, let's talk a little bit more. And yeah, we got a flipper. Or is that? Don't know. Yeah, here we got one. This one should be good. In a few seconds it will be ready. And we removed all images and similar because the rest is still watermelon enough. Come on, be faster, Midjourney. We are waiting. Yeah, we got a tomato and a flipper. And 2 that did not change anything.